Hello everybody, my name is Ken Clark. I'm the editor of HBSDealer.com, and if you're looking for exciting, addictive videos of ranting and raving and dancing, you might want to go to TikTok. But if you're looking for the top 3 stories of the week for a business audience in the hardware and building supply industry, I'm bringing you the top 3 stories of the week from the digital pages of HBSDealer.com. Our number 3 story of the week, the Hardware LBM Balancing Act. We shared insights here from retailers who straddle both sectors, hardware retailing and LBM. Our editor Tim Burke spoke with Rivertown Do It Center in Sheboygan, Michigan, as well as Craftwood Lumber and Hardware in Highland Park, Illinois. At number 2, ACE says systems are restored after a cybersecurity incident that was detected on October 29th. The Oak Brook, Illinois-based co-op said it's now focused on getting product flowing, and acehardware.com is again accepting orders. And our number 1 story of the week, fitting for our Veterans Day weekend, home repairs for U.S. veterans. Home Depot's Operation Surprise again helps veterans renovate homes and facilities. You can read more about this story and all of our top stories. And for more news, analysis, videos, and opinion, visit us at HBSDealer.com.